Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Rust in Action, Systems Programming Concepts and Techniques, written by Tim McNamara.
Rust is a language that's both blazing fast and ultra-safe, making it perfect for those with some programming experience under their belts. This book goes beyond just teaching you the syntax of Rust. It dives deep into systems programming, giving you the low-level knowledge to build powerful things. The book includes projects that will challenge and excite you. Imagine creating a program to render the mind-bending Mandelbrot set, a super-fast text searcher like grep, or even your own CPU emulator. Rust has been adopted by major tech companies for its performance and safety. AWS uses Rust for serverless computing and has used Rust to develop the BottleRocket OS. Cloudflare, Dropbox, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, GitHub, Oracle, and Samsung are among the companies that have integrated Rust into their services and infrastructure. Rust is a programming language that offers the expressiveness of high-level languages like Haskell and Java, along with the performance of low-level languages. Rust supports common control flow structures, higher-order programming, with functions that can accept and return other functions, and type annotations to assist the compiler. Rust also features conditional compilation and an implicit return mechanism. A Rust code example demonstrates basic text processing, such as reading CSV data, using loops, conditional statements, and error handling. To compile Rust code, one must use the Rust compiler, typically through the cargo run command. Debug and release builds can be managed with flags. Rust is a programming language designed for memory safety that catches errors like buffer overflows at compile time, enabling secure and concurrent programming without runtime costs. The language focuses on safety by preventing data races and other common errors, productivity through advanced features like generics and closures, and control by allowing precise memory management. Rust's compiler and package manager, Cargo, facilitate error detection and project management, streamlining the development process. Rust's core philosophy combines safety and performance through zero-cost abstractions. Rust is a programming language designed for high-performance, safe multi-threading, and efficient memory usage. It excels in data-oriented programming with cache-friendly structures. Dependency management is simplified by Rust's package manager, Cargo, while static method dispatch further enhances optimization. The language's approach to concurrency enables safe execution of multiple threads. Rust also enables precise memory control with minimal overhead. Key tools include Cargo for package management, RustUp for version management, and rustc as the compiler.
Get this book at manning.com